All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. I'm your host, Vays. I finally got it right after what, 6 years? So it is a little early in the afternoon. Oh, crap. Where's that coming from? Oh, Trading Bitcoin. Boom. Got it. All right. My first drink of the day. Not that bad. But the family's coming here in a couple of hours. So we're going to be doing barbecuing and probably a lot of drinking. So I'm gonna just do one. This is actually a pretty tasty tequila, jalapeno cucumber. It was at the cabin. I didn't really bring anything. I'm trying to keep drinking to a minimum. Famous last words. How are we doing on the live stream? I gotta keep an eye. I'm smoking a bunch of ribs. That is going to be a 6-7 hour process. You can see a little bit of fire there on the corner and just put smoke right through there. Maybe I can zoom in on the camera and we'll see what's going on over there. I got to check the temperature anyway in a minute. Let me get to your live chat. Hope everyone's enjoying their 4th of July weekend. I'll be barbecuing all weekend. Used to like doing these lazy streams with just Q&A and stuff. I really don't want to see 1190 again. 11.9. All right, let's go take a look what's on the grill. What's on the smoker? We got beef ribs, we got pork ribs, and we got some lamb breast, which I've never actually eaten before. So don't forget smoking it. I couldn't wait 7 hours for food. Well, no, there's a whole other grill. Let me make this full screen so I can see what you guys are seeing. Okay, so let's see what we got here. See, there's a whole other grill right there. So if I walk over, I can't see what you're seeing. There we go. You're still following me? So you see a whole other grill, and then you see the fire pit. Get that going as well. So it still has like 7 hours to go, 6 hours to go. Let me see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Come on, camera, zoom in. That's zoom out. Boom. Yes, that's a full zoom in. So there you go. If I get behind it, maybe it'll like lower a bit. It's not going down with me. But anyway, so there it is. I can't keep this open for too long. How to close it. Oh, fire's going out. That's not good. This fire goes out, it's a bit of a nightmare to manage. Okay, that should keep it going. I'm gonna grab one more piece. Put it there in the corner. Just so there was some rain last night, so these pieces are a little more wet than I like. So I'm trying to keep this temperature around 200, between 200 and 220 on the smoker. So all the fire is here, for those of you that are city people like myself. I'm so bad at this, by the way. For those of you that are city people, all the fire is here and just smoke blowing through this thing. And then you can kind of regulate the temperature a little bit so that only the smoke from that fire cooks all the meat. But this is a 5-hour job. So I'll probably have to take that piece of wood out in a minute. But as long as that keeps burning, we're okay. All right. I'm zoomed in a little too much. Let me zoom this bad boy out. I see Fibbo Swanee is there. Hey, Fibbo, you want to join me in the stream? I'm going to DM you. Maybe Mechanic wants to join. I can't talk politics today because too much family's over. My family's half Russian, half Ukrainian. Thank God they don't watch my channel. So I can't talk politics. I'll have something thrown at me from right over there. All right, so Fibbo can't join. Yeah, everyone's talking about the KuCoin exchange, and I don't know what's going on there. I don't have anything on KuCoin. KuCoin always sounded a little problematic. Now the fire is getting a little big. Yeah, I just wanted to dry that piece of wood. I didn't want the fire that strong. Hold on. And after that, let me just change that. And after that, we're gonna fire is getting a little much. But now it's so sunny, it's hard to see how strong the fire is. A bad idea. No, I'm gonna take it out. All right. All right, we'll be okay for now. All right, those are some charts. Yeah, the whole, like, I don't really know what's going on with KuCoin. Guys, you should always only have Bitcoin on an exchange you're willing to, you know, disappear into the ether. Because if you want to protect your Bitcoin, you got to hold a private key. If you give it up, you just, you know, you're taking a risk. You're always taking a risk. Let's go to the charts. This might be a fast stream because I gotta go do family stuff and keep an eye on that thing. Crap, now I don't see any fire. All right, let's look at charts. Weekly chart. Weekly chart is having a disastrous candle once again. It's a red star candle. It's gonna close near the lows unless there's a monster rally, but it's a holiday weekend, so I doubt it. Someone is asking me when the Willy Woo live stream. I messaged him yesterday actually to see if he wants to jump on that stream, but I haven't heard back yet, so we'll see. I'd like to get him on. So right now, this is a bearish look. The 4-day chart, also a bearish look. That's why we're in cash. The daily chart is getting ready for an MRI buy. That's good news. What's the bad news? The bad news is we're about to break very critical support, and that can send the price of Bitcoin significantly lower. So we're going to keep an eye on this development, and hopefully early next week, there'll be a nice turnaround with an MRI buy, similar to what happened 2 weeks ago. Not much going on in the hourly chart. GBTC is closed for the weekend. Oil. I'm still overall bullish on oil. I am now giving up on gold completely. It has fallen below a very critical line of support. And the stock market is closed. So that's it. I can take a look at some of your questions, but there's not much else I can say. Why did Bitcoin stop going up? I don't know why it started going up in the first place. I really don't. Hey guys, I actually have to keep an eye on the smoking meat. So this may be a very short stream. Just a price update and me showing grilling. I think I might go hang out with the family because I see some people just arrived. Yeah. I'll show you one more look at the meat. And then we might be calling it a day. Let me see what's going on here. Oh man, all right. See, this is the problem. My fire went out. And that's really crappy. That's not what I wanted. Okay, it's back. Fire's back. I have to bring it back. Otherwise, this becomes a nightmare. Total nightmare to deal with. That should do it. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. And I'm going to go back and hang out with family. Bye, guys.